You don't know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing.